Maayong gabi bay. Gabi naman o gabi ron. Quick video for today. I didn't prepare anything for this video. I just set up the camera, put in a cheap microphone up there, and use this light here, which is just that. And yeah, I'm just making this video right now. I'm not sponsored in any way. Wala nag-sponsor na ako. I bought this with my own money, but I kind of like this one here, so I'm going to share it with you. It's this one here. It's the lanyard. It's the Hagibis USB 4 lanyard. So it's so small. It's like 0.15 feet, I reckon. What feet ba ni kuan? Ako lang i-update sa below. And the thing is, this is a USB-C cable. It's very thick. It's braided. But the good thing about this is it's a lanyard. You can carry it with your hard drive kung naa siya ngunani. And you can just twist this out and reveal the USB-C. And then twist the other one. So you can just plug it straight there, and that's your hard drive. So the good thing about this is that even though if you're using your hard drive anywhere, dili ma separate ang kaning USB-C. I don't prepare my vlogs. I'm not sponsored anyway. I'm just making vlogs for you guys that way I can share. But yeah, there are two sizes here, 0.15 and 0.13. My 0.13 is still coming, but I really love this. Like, yeah, check that out. If your hard drive has this loop here, or like you have the SanDisk, you can use it as your lanyard, and you have your cable always. You don't forget. So that's it. Take care.